In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove harsh shadows in Photoshop. Let's get started. So first things first, let's head to the channels panel of our image right here. And basically, let's click on this circular icon at the bottom. This button will essentially turn all of the brighter areas in your image into a selection. After that, go to the select menu and click on inverse to select the shadows instead. Then select your image layer and hit Ctrl J to duplicate it, or Command J if you are on Mac. Now set this new layer to screen instead of normal as it's blend mode. Then press on the mask button and then select the mask and hit Ctrl I to invert it so it turns black. And now for the fun part, select your brush tool and set the flow to 100%. Make sure that the foreground color is set to white, and then make sure that the brush mode is set to soft round. Let's decrease its size a little bit, then start brushing over the harsh shadows areas on your subject's face. And as you can see the difference, we successfully made the harsh shadow go away. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to watch this next tutorial.